Alright, so guys, good day. This is Civil Best. Today we are going to look at how to design a straight flight staircase using Prota details. Okay, yeah, so you open Prota details and we choose the project that we want to design the staircase in and click on OK. Okay, so let's give it time to load. After that, you click on start by drawing in new drawing. Okay, and it gives us a blank space for us to do the drawing. Okay, baby, before that, this is our reference drawing. So we have our staircase in AutoCAD, and then you can see it's a straight flight from the down all the way to the top. Okay, it has no landing, it goes straight. Okay, so first we have to look at the width of our staircase, which is 1 meter. All right, then we have you can see the numbers of steps we have. All right, here makes it simple. We have 20 rises at 150 mm, then we have 19 going at 0.34. Alright, so you click on the staircase symbol and on top at your right hand side, and this window will open, and then the staircase has been divided into three. We have the double armed, we have the load bearing, and we have the spiral. Okay, you can see all of them. So when you put the cursor in each of them, it gives you the symbol and you can understand. Then you will be able to choose the type of staircase you want. Okay, yeah, so this in our case we are going to design a straight flight, so we are going to use the integrated steps under the load bearing. Okay, yes, so after you have clicked on the integrated staircase, then you now have to fill in the parameters. Okay, so we have the step where width, we have the left hand side landing width, we have the right hand side landing width, we have the plate thickness, and all of them. We have the number of steps, the step width, the step thickness, then all of them. So you guys have to go through and then you can set all of them according to how you want them to be. All right, yes, so guys, take your time and go through to set them all as you want to. We have a 20 number of steps, and then the step width, that is the A and S. You can see that the A is the going whilst S is the riser. Okay, so you key them in accordingly.
Wake up, stand tall, you got this today. No fear, no doubt, get out of your way, step by step.
Alright, so on the bottom right hand, we can see the support type. You can have a simply support, a cantilever, and the rest. So we will put it on cantilever. Our steps is a cantilever, and then we'll go to the next one, which is the section of the steps. So you can also change it, and you look at the symbol. Okay, when you change it, it gives you the shape of the staircase. All right, okay, by our case, let's use the trapezoidal. All right, this trapezoidal. Okay, okay, so after you have done all the settings, then you can uh, redesign it. Okay, you can also check the design report. We can get the design details. All right, so this is the design we have. Okay, so this is the design the program has given us. So you can see the program has given us the quantity, the diameter, and the spacing. Okay, so looking at what we have here, we can still do more adjustment to the what the program has given us, especially the bar diameters and then the spacing. But mind you that whatsoever you change, the program will have to revalidate the whole work, and what you have proposed, if it passes, it will take it. If it doesn't pass, it will give you the closest answer. Okay. All right, so all of this one, you just have to take your time and go through them to understand them best. Okay, so please remember to like and subscribe, and also share this video with your friends so that they can also benefit. Thank you guys. All right, so after you have done the adjustments, there's also setting below, so which you can go there to do further more settings. All right, so when you click setting, it will take you to this window where you can do a lot of editing. You can edit the concrete cover, the minimum bar thickness, then the maximum bar thickness you want the program to work within, then a lot of them. Okay, so after you have done with the design, you are satisfied with it, you can go to check the report. So let's click on the design report. Let's wait for the program to load the report for us. All right, so let's wait, it's loading. Okay, so here's the design report. You can see all the details and the parameters that we have keyed in. All of them has appeared here. uh, we have the stairs information, we have the loads, we have the section forces, and has given us the details of the staircase. All right, so after that we have to go to the detail. So when you click on the details, then it gives you a blank space, then you click on you click in the blank space, then the program will generate the detail drawing for you. Okay, so you can see the program has this our staircase. There's a section, of it, and we have all the bars inside. You can see where we have it. This is our reinforcement bars inside the staircase. Very nice. All right, so this is the plan view, and this is the beam. Okay, this is a section of it too as well, with the rebar schedule. That's given us the rebar schedules as well. Alright, so after that you can do furthermore editings using Prota details to make it suitable before printing it out, or you can also send it to software of any software that you prefer to do more editings on it. Okay, so to send it to other software, just go to click on the file and click on export to external softwares. Okay, you can send it to, let's send it to DWG. Okay, that's AutoCAD. All right, so if you open it in AutoCAD, this is how it looks like. You see, it's not really that presentable. The line width and everything is not really that visible, so you might have to do furthermore editings here to make it presentable before you can print it out. Okay.
Wake up, stand tall. You got this today. No fear, no doubt. Get out.
Alright, so guys, thank you once again. This is Civil Best, your number one go-to channel for all engineering and construction related content. Please remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and thanks to all those who have subscribed to my channel. Kindly like and share this video to your friends. Thank you very much. See you next time. Thank you guys. God bless you.
Wake up, stand tall. You got this today. No fear, no doubt.